Welcome back. You're watching DD India News Hour. Lipakshi Khurana, and time now for some business news. The Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das is set to announce the monetary policy on Thursday. The RBI's Monetary Policy Committee, the rate cutting panel, held its third bi-monthly policy meeting for financial year 2025 from August 6 to August 8. The RBI Governor headed six-member Monetary Policy Committee is widely expected to keep the benchmark repo rates unchanged at 6.5% and maintain the policy stance of withdrawal of accommodation. The central bank has kept the rates unchanged for the last 18 months. And for more, we have Shyama Mishra joining us. Well, good morning, Shyama. Amid global uncertainties, if we talk about, and the weather woes, will RBI opt for a status quo for the 9th time?
Well, it is likely, and because we are saying that there are geopolitical tensions, also the inflation is out of the comfortable range of Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India is likely to maintain status quo, and as you've already mentioned, that if it maintains status quo, it will be the 9th consecutive time. The last change it had made was in Feb 2023, and since then there has been no change, and 6.5 is the repo rate, which is kept at it. The bank rates are at 6.5. Also, the experts are believing that now the RBI can move towards the stance changing to neutral, which is currently at the withdrawal of accommodation. And if this happens, it's a clear indication that Reserve Bank of India in future would move towards cutting the rates, cutting the interest rate. And this will be a good news for the consumers, for the customers. Also, RBI has to maintain a balance between, not hurting the growth and also maintain the inflation. And given the fact that there have been flood situation, so many agricultural areas have been affected due to heavy rainfall. We will have to watch the situation, how it is going to pan out, because as I've already mentioned that the inflation rate is currently out of the comfortable range and it is above 5%. The comfortable range of Reserve Bank of India is 4%, plus or minus 2%, but it wants to keep it under 4%. But you see that this is above 5% and it has been above this comfortable range for quite some time, and the Reserve Bank of India would want this to come down, and that is why it is watchful of the entire situation. Also now what we are watching is the geopolitical tensions are rising, and this would be having the ripple effect in Indian economy as well. So we would be understanding some statement from the Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das, and also some projections, or if any change in projections in the GDP data, in the GDP numbers, a GDP projection for the coming year, and also for the inflation projection for the coming year. So these are a few of the things that have to be watched for. And as we've already mentioned that, it is likely that there'll be a status quo this time around also.
All right. Thank you so much, Shyama, for all